Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze MEXC account. So if you no longer want to use your MEXC account and you also don't want to delete it, so you have the option of freezing it. So in order to do it, first of all, launch your MEXC app. Once you are on the home page, simply tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner. Then go to security. In your security, simply scroll down a bit and select the manage account option. Once you select the manage account option, you will be landed on this page where you will see two different options. First is of freezing your account and second one is of deleting your account. So once your account is frozen, most of the functions will be disabled like login, trading, deposit and withdrawal. You can choose to unfreeze your account anytime, and it is recommended that you freeze your account first if you don't want to use it. So simply select the freeze account option and select the reason of freezing your account. So select any of these options, then tap on the proceed option in the bottom, and on the next page you need to simply further on screen instructions in order to freeze your MEXC account. Now if you want to unfreeze it, I have created a detailed video on this topic as well, so make sure you check that video out on my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.